After 20 hours building, I created an impressive 95cm Fujian ship model featuring a stunning lighting system. The ship can be split open to reveal intricate internal details, and it even includes electromagnetic catapult functions. The recent Grand Military Parade truly inspired me. As a proud native of Fujian, I immediately ordered this Senbao building set. The 28124 Fujian ship, a 1350 master-level product with 6,022 parts, arrived in an amazing 86cm extra-long box. Gift bags and boxes make perfect gifts. Inside are 3 sub-boxes, with the top forming a Fujian ship illustration. The first box holds 10 bags of pieces. Let's begin building now! After over 6 hours of assembly, the first box is completely finished. The process went smoothly, and what is being constructed includes the core power layer located at the base of the Fuji ship and half of the second-level hangar section. One key feature is its expandability. It can be opened up to reveal the internal structure for display. The core power layer is highly detailed with various devices and valves, acting as a miniature dynamic system. You can also roll and rotate the tail sections, which activates the gears and sets everything in motion, demonstrating impressive mechanical movement within the model. And gets the 4 propellers spinning. At the bow position, there is a small command room. The power layer also has 2 lighting spots, which look great in low light. Half of the second level area already shows many details. Let's quickly move on to the second box. After another intense 7 hours of dedicated effort, the second box is finally finished as well. In addition to the deck and the catapult in the center, the basic frame has steadily come together and appears much more complete and detailed. The second level floor uses transparent press plates, making the third power layer below clearly visible. The interior details in the second level hangar are absolutely outstanding, such as the fortress center, ammunition depot, command center, and storage areas, all recreated beautifully. I especially love the 2 aircraft elevators on the deck where small planes enter the hangar. Parking planes in the hangar is fun. The second level has more lighting points, looking fantastic under dim light. Let's keep going and finish the build. The result will truly impress once everything is complete and shining. Ta-da! After spending 20 hours and using 6,022 building blocks, the Senbao Fujian ship is finally complete and ready to be admired. What a rewarding and satisfying moment. After working hard non-stop, I'm really worn out, my back aches, I feel dizzy, and my muscles are sore. But seeing the fully finished Fujian ship makes every effort absolutely worth it. As someone from Fujian, I feel genuinely proud. Once assembled, the Fujian ship measures 95 cm in length, with an additional 29 cm in base height. This project was unforgettable. With a 1.350 scale, this piece is impressively large, truly making it an ideal centerpiece for any home or collection. Its significant size means that a dedicated transparent display case will definitely be necessary in the future. The overall shape and fine craftsmanship have greatly exceeded my expectations. Even when viewed from a distance, you'd never guess it's made from blocks. Thanks to its generous size, countless intricate details are present, including runway markings, built-in features, no stickers used, side defenses, weapons, safety nets, landing lights, and hidden orange lifeboats. There are also bow side model number 18, as well as details at the catapult and tail sections, all highly accurate. This set also comes with many accessories, including various fighter jets and helicopters. The total number amounts to 49 distinct units, featuring the J-15T, J-35, Z-9, Z-18, and Z-20 aircraft models. Among these, 3 golden J-35 planes are equipped with folding wings, which are displayed in the folded wing mode. The carrier itself also has 16 support vehicles and 14 standard figures, including the captain, naval inspector, carrier crew, pilots, and the complete naval ground staff. Additionally, there are 36 small figures, 12 gold, plus many extra accessories for further detail. Of course, aircraft that cannot be placed on the deck can be stored inside the 2-level hangar, which comfortably fits over a dozen planes. In terms of playability, this Fujian carrier remarkably replicates the electromagnetic catapult function. Open the flame shield, pull the catapult, place a small plane, press the switch, and the plane is launched. It looks quite authentic and is very satisfying to operate. Next, we showcase the internal structure. When assembling the first box, I demonstrated the 3-section unfolding design, stabilized by 2 black support frames, making it sturdy. We can open the 2 watertight compartments beneath the deck, fully revealing the second-level space. I really like this simple, direct, transparent effect. We can also remove several middle deck sections to view the Fujian's interior from above. At the front is the waterfront lounge, featuring small beds with neatly folded green blankets. Next comes the dining area, furnished with 4 tables set with a variety of meals. In the center lies the large hangar, which, along with the deck's elevator platform, enables planes to move from the hangar to the deck. Removing the transparent panels, we now access the lowest power system level. Today, even large aircraft carriers can have fully adjustable lighting. Do you agree? Turning on the power system activates the hangar, sailor's lounge, and island lighting. Watch this carefully. The fully lit Fujian carrier creates a stunning and impressive visual effect. The carrier's lighting strips reflect beautifully on the deck, adding intricate texture. With the included figures, it truly feels like the crew is actively operating the ship. The Fujian carrier quietly safeguards the nation, making important silent contributions. We offer our sincere respect to the Senbao brick Fujian carrier. Impresses with its 950cm size, detailed craftsmanship, and high accuracy. Combined with lighting effects, internal display, and electromagnetic catapult gameplay, it leaves a strong impression. Importantly, as a magnificent set with 6,022 bricks, it represents the nation's vital asset, the Fujian carrier. Priced at only a few hundred yen, its collectible value and cost-performance ratio are excellent. Perfect as a gift for children or personal collection. Fans, do not miss out. Okay, this video ends here. See you in the next video.
Farewell for now, friend.